Hello all. Good evening. So we are going to discuss about start routine. So start routine will write into the transformation level. So whenever we create transformation, so there we can create start routine, end routine, field level routine. So by using start routine, we can filter the data. We can filter the data, delete unnecessary data. Unnecessary data. So basically by using start routine, we can filter the data to delete unnecessary data. So how it will be like, for example, what is the source? Source and target. Example, my source is 2ls underscore 11 underscore VA item. My target is, so like this I created. Okay, this is DSO and this is data source. So when you create start routine, okay, source underscore package internal table will create automatically. Whenever we create start routine, so automatically internal table will generate. This is internal table will generate automatically. Source underscore package, it will have structure of same as data source because it is a source. So we are creating a transformation. We are creating transformation between source and target. Between source and target. So in this, what is the source? Source is 2ls underscore 11 underscore VA item. So how many fields are there? Example, 70 fields are there in the data source level. So same structure available in source underscore package as well. So here also we having 70 fields. If we reduce one field, then it will be 69. So here also it will be 69. Same as data source structure, it will have it. If we write code into the end routine, then it will generate result underscore package. So it will have target structure. So this is the end routine. Okay. So I'm not discussing about right now end routine. So we are discussing about start routine. Okay. So I have created transformation between source and target. Source and target. Okay. When you write code into the start routine, source underscore package internal table will generate automatically. How many fields are there? It will have structure of same data source structure. Okay. It will have same structure as source. Okay. So it will execute packet by packet. It will execute packet by packet. So by default, packet will have 50,000 records. By default, one packet will have 50,000 records. 50,000 records. That means, so we are loading data from source to target. Example, I am loading data source to target. So in the source level, we having 27,000 records. So it will split like now how many packets it will generate. That means only one packet because we don't have exactly 50,000 records. we having 27,000 records, so it will have only one packet. Assume like if we have 1 lakh records, then it will become 2 packets. Okay, by default. By default, it will have 50,000 records. Okay, so if anyone asks you in the interview, what is the use of start routine? Why we have to use it? Okay, so you can tell like by using start routine, we can filter the data to delete unnecessary data. It will execute before the transformation. It will execute before the transformation. Before the transformation. Okay, it will have same structure of source. It will have same structure as source. So it will generate one table, that is source underscore package. Okay, it will execute packet by packet. By default, packet size will be 50,000. If you attend 10 interviews, for 10 interviews, they will ask you about start routine. I'm sure 9 to 10 interviews they will ask you. Okay, every interview they will ask you about what is the use of start routine, where you will write, how you debug the routine, and then they will ask. So now we'll see in the system level how we will write the start routine. Okay. See here. See here. Now you can see. What is the source here? This situation. Source is this data source. From where it is updating? This is client 800. Okay. This is the source and this is the target. You can see when you see the square box, this is classic DSO. This is a classic DSO. This is data source. And this symbol is Damaricum. You can say this is transformation. Double click this one and now you can see it. See how it is we mapped it. So we having these are the objects. Okay. Posting date and material type and quantity we didn't map it. So we having document number, document item we added. Okay. Now you can see how where you will write the code in the transformation level. So you can see here this is the source and this is target. You can minimize this one and you can expand this one. This is the source, the symbol. Okay, this is the data source. The technical name is 2ls underscore 11 underscore v item. This is the technical name. This is the target technical name. Okay, this is the symbol. You can see this is DSO. Okay, from where data is flowing from data source to DSO, we are loading the data. So before loading, we need to map the transformations. So here you can see start routine. This is end routine. So I already gone to the end routine. That is the way it is showing. Okay. Otherwise it will be disable mode. Okay. Let me open again here. See here. Now it is in disable mode. We need to click on this one so that it will be activated. Okay. I'm going to write code. So what is my code? Let me show you. Before writing the code, we need to understand the scenario. Where do we need to write the code and why we have to write? See, in the data source level, we having in the PS level, we having 27,300 records are there. When we have loaded, you can see today only we loaded, okay? And who loaded that record, that details and all, you can see it, okay? And click on this PSA maintenance, there we can see, okay? I want to see all the records. So I'm selecting 29,000 records. See here, these are all the records, okay? So here we have a company code, okay? Now you can see right side, just you see here, number is 27,300. So we having different company codes. So I want to filter the data as company code 0001. I want to delete them. See here. So how many records are there? 140. Okay, 140 records. So I'm deleting the 001 company code records. So we are referring, what is the source here? See here, source is 2LS11V item. So now I am doing, in the transformation, just understand it. What is the company code field name here? So here you can see, this is the company code field. What is this? Bookers. Because we are going to write the code into the start routine, it will have a source underscore package internal table. So it will have a structure of data source. So that is the way I'm taking this field. Okay, if we write code into the end routine, so we need to refer this target field. This is the target, right? DSO. This is the source. So I'm referring this source field because I'm writing code into the start routine. In start routine, we having source underscore package. It will have a source section. Click on this. See here this pop-up. Are you going to write code into the ABAP routine or ANDP script? So I'm going to write code into the ABAP routine. See here. See here. Here we are going to write the code. Just delete it. So here we are going to see this is the method start routine method. This is the end method. In between we are writing the code. So I'm writing it start routine, right? I will give the explanation over here as well. So I'm commenting it. By using start routine, we can filter the data or delete unnecessary data. Some control less than, control less than, it will be comment for comment the code. Okay, we need control less than, control less than. Okay, when we write the code in the start routine, it will generate automatically source underscore package. Internal table will generate. Control less than. Okay. What is the source underscore package? You can see the source underscore package. See, source underscore package internal table. So I'm writing code into the here. So deleting the data when company code equal to 001. Okay, so for this I'm writing code delete source underscore package where. So what is the field in the source? Bookers. You can see here company code is bookers. What is our company code? You can see this is the company code. So that is the way I'm taking. This is the field name. Okay, bookers, where bookers equal to 001. So this is the value, company code value. We already seen it, right, in the PSA level. We have a multiple company codes, 1000, 2000, 3000, okay, 0001 and 5000. Like this, we have company code values. So I don't want to load 0001 company code to the next level. So I'm trying to delete by using this statement. Delete source underscore package where bookers equals. This is simple English statement. Delete source underscore package. This is internal table. Whatever we have data on the PSA level, that data is available in source underscore package. Where bookers equal to 001, it is going to delete it. When you write the code, first we need to check it, okay? Check whether our code is correct or not. It will show you in the bottom, no syntax error found. So there was no issue. So now you can do pretty printer as well. So it will automatically correct the code. Okay. We written code into the lowercase letters. Now it is converted whatever we have in the syntax, ABAP statement, ABAP keywords, it will convert as a uppercase. I written delete as a lowercase, but it is converted when I click on pretty printer. So source code package where bookers equal to, okay. So like this, it will automatically, it will change it, okay. Okay, save it. Now click on OK, activate it. When you write the code into the start routine, so the changes will go like this. See, end routine, we didn't write code. Still it is A4 size 4. So here it is now start routine. When I go back, see, transformation is activated. Go back. Now click on OK. Open the transformation. Now you can see glass because already we written the code. Okay, we are not in the edit mode. Click here. I can able to see our code. See, this is our code, whatever we written. Go back. Now I'm trying to load the data. So how many records are there? From where to where data is going? From data source. From, okay, here you can see right click and go manage. Here we have a records. How many records are there here? 27,300. Okay. We are deleting the 0001 company code data. So I'm trying to do it. So go manage and do we have any records here? So I don't have any records. You can see here. Now I'm executing it. Okay. See this one. This is DTP. We already discussed DTP. From where to where it is loading. This data source to this DSO data is loading. Okay. Now I'm executing it. Execute. In the PSA, we have in 27,300 records data. So just click on this one. Okay. Hide navigator. Okay. So now I want to expand my package. We having only one package. By default, 53 records will be there in the packet size. So I having total records in the packet in PSA 27,000 records. See here, 27,000 records, 300 minus 160. How many records are there? 140 records are there, 0001 company code. Where it is deleting it, here you can see in the start routine level, we are deleting the data. Finally, it is updating. Okay, total records are 27,300 and 140 we have 001 company code data. Now go here. This is administrator and click this one and activate it. So now you can see here total records. How many records are there? 27,000 records. How many records are transferred? 27,160. Now, if you want to activate, you can activate it. So, select this one and activate it. Just refresh it. Okay, close this one and just refresh it. So now you can see here, go to active data. See, this is standard ESO. When we load data into the standard ESO, data will store into the new data or inbound table data. When we activate the data, data will store into the active table, change log table parallelly. Data will delete in the new table. Understand the point? So how many records are there? 27,160 records. So now we can delete it. Company code is this is okay. 0001. Do we have the records? Because we already deleted. We don't have any records. And how about 1000 records? 1000 records are there. Okay, this is company code. 1000 is company code. Maybe you can discuss like now 1000 means this is Middle East, Dubai. Okay. Now 2000. If we have company code, then we will get it. Okay. 3000. Maybe this is US. Okay. For every country, they will assign one company code. So I don't want to load 0001. So now we are not getting any records 001. Okay. If you want to see whole record, then click on this and you can see it. So this is how we will do that. How to debug the start routine and all, we'll see. Right click, and if you want to see again, go here and you can see 001 company code is there. No, I don't see any 001. Okay. You can see it. In the list, we don't have it. Okay. That is how we are writing the code. Okay. If you want to debug, okay, you can debug as well. So okay, now go back. How to debug the start routine? That is question. Okay. If anyone asks you question, then what to do? Open the transformation. Tell the interview also same thing. Okay. Same procedure. Open the transformation. Which start routine you want to debug it. So here I will not go start routine because I know already we written code delete source and source package where book was equal to 001. So that go to extras menu. There is a display generated program. Control F and I will type delete. So our code will start with the delete, right? So again search for our code. Where exactly our code is available? Where is our code? So when you find our code, then just stop it, okay? Where is our code? Yeah, here we have our code. So now what I will do, okay, I will place the breakpoint here. Okay, okay. Now I'll select the cursor here and I'll keep this as a okay. So I put the external breakpoint. Go back, go back. So do not execute always delta DTP. Copy here and always delete always the full DTP we need to run it, okay, while you are debugging it. Now you can see here clearly. So I'm going to put the filter for company code only. I don't want to put filter for everything. Okay. Deselect all. Okay. Type only bookers. So I know that bookers is available here. Okay. Now here I'll not put any filter now. Activate it. Activate it. See, packet size is by default 50,000. I didn't put it 50,000. Okay. Go to go to execute tab. Select debugging mode serially in the dialog process. Debug mode and select this export mode. Click OK. Simulate. So here, just select it. Okay, here temporary storage breakpoint here. Select after handling and before extraction as well. Start routine will execute before the transformation. Before the transformation. Okay. Check and yes. So when see in the below, okay. See here, directly we came here and F5 and F8. It will go to our breakpoint. When I click on this F8, it will go to the breakpoint. See here, many breakpoints are there. Okay, it came out outside. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see this is filter. This is first level before extraction. Start routine means it will execute the before transformation. This is before transformation. You can see here. Here I can see the 001 recurs. Company code. Here is company code. And now I will put the filter. So 001. Here we'll have recurs. See here. Company code 001 is available. And go back. And now you can see in the filter level also it is available because total recurs 27,000. We don't have any filter here. Here also you can see. And here you can see here set filter 001. See, now I can see recurs, okay? See, in the next level, you can see in the real time you have to check like this 27,300 and here it is filtering because 001 recurs it is not available. Okay, now here it is, where is the company called? This is target section. This is not source section now, it is changed it completely. 001, it is not available. See, because we don't have any records, it's already deleted because it is already updated to the target. Here you can see in the statement itself, this is data source and this is target. So in the source level, in the data source level, 2ls underscore 11 underscore v item level, we having 27,300 records. Okay, we written code into the starter level. When the records are moved to the ZDSO underscore yes, a few records are deleted. Okay, did you get my point? Okay, finally it is updating. So we are into the debug mode. It is not updating any records to the target because we are into serially debugging mode. You can see here. See here, we are into debugging mode. So it will not update any records to the target. Zero records is targeted. Okay. Like this, we will do the debug. Okay. And go back. One more way you can do it. How you will do it one more way? Double click and go here and edit, go start routine. Now in the start routine level, I'll put like no breakpoint as constant, hard code, okay? I'm going to give hard code. See here, breakpoint. So check it. But while you are moving to production system, we need to remove this one. Otherwise, it will have a problem in the trial. Okay, in the production system. Be careful. While you are debugging, you will place the breakpoint. But while you are moving to production system, we need to remove the breakpoint. Otherwise, it will throw a, I mean, every time it will go debugging mode. Okay. Transformation is activated. Now I am going to debug it. So always put the filters. So I am executing full update DTP. If you execute delta DTP, then it will not run. So I am going to here select the debugging mode and select this export mode and click on simulate. So these steps only we need to explain in the interview. Okay. Execute. How I am debugging it, same steps we need to inform in the interview. Open the transformation, go to extracts menu bar, click on generated program, display generated program. There you need to place the breakpoint. And okay, here this is very important, temporary storage and breakpoint. So I'm selecting it before transformation. Before transformation, after and after error handling, and before extraction as well, I will keep it. And now see here, click on OK. See, directly it is came to debug mode. So now execute. So here we have a breakpoint and it will go to the another breakpoint. How many breakpoints are there? It will go to all breakpoints. I will click on this and it will go to the our breakpoint. See, we came to our breakpoint. So here, so nothing will be there here, right? We are into desktop tree. This is very important while we are debugging it. So here we have a function keys F5, F6, F7, F8. So the names you can see here, single step, execute and return. This is continue. Okay. F5, F6, F7, F8. So F5 it will execute line by line. See, we have a full stop. This is one line. So this is also one line because we ending with the parameter, ending with the full stop. This is one line. This is one line. So in the above, you can see these many lines, right? This is one line. This is one line. When you do the F5, it will execute one line. So in our start routine, we have a method or function models. When you click on this one, it will go inside of the method or function model. When you click on this, it will go inside of the method or function model. So when you are into method or function model, when you execute the F7, we will come out of the method or function model. For example, assume like we have a function model. The function model having like 1000 lines. So already we are inside the function model. So I don't want to debug complete function model. Then you can click on F7. We will come out of the function model. Okay, if you execute F8, for example, assume like in starter train level only, we kept multiple breakpoints. 1, 2, 3 like this. So I kept two breakpoints. When you click on F8, it will go to the another breakpoint. If we don't have any breakpoints, then we will come out of our code completely. It will come out of the code. Okay. Now I will see a source and scope package. How many records are there? 27,300 records. See here. So if you click on this one, table display in LV, 1 minute, it is taking time. See here. So where is our company code? So now I don't want to search, go to change log. And where is the bookers? Okay, look for our bookers. See here, I'll click on this, move to top. Simply, okay, do the smart work. Okay, here, search for 001 company codes. 001. This is what we written code, right, in the start routine. See how many records are there. So if you don't know, just observe it left side. See here, I meant 140 records. See 140 records are there. Company code book was 0001. Okay, 27,300 minus 140 records, how much it will come? 23,140 will come. Okay, now we'll see. Once go to desktop 3 again. Okay, now here 27,300, right? When I click on this F5, see F5. So this line is executed, nothing will happen. So now if you click on F5, it will become like 27,000. So once you click, we don't see any 001 records. Okay, click is, see how many records are there? 27,160. Because this statement is deleted, we don't have a bookers 001 records now. Go to here, we'll search for again company code data. So this is the way we will debug and we will identify the data. You will have to validate the business. In the real time, we have multiple lines of code in the start routine. You need to understand it, why they return, why they are deleting it. So try to understand the functionality. Now you can see right click and I'm going to put the filter for 001. So we already deleted, we don't have any records. Now you can see. So this is how you need to understand. Already deleted records. Okay. So that is the way we having. So this is the way we saw it, right? Now we will load only 0001 records. That also will see. Okay. Now I will click on F8. So we will come out of the complete code. Just understand it. Okay. Now you can see, however, we see last time, we can see it. Okay. So we are into debug mode. Now you can see here also you can see the records. Okay. Go back. I'll change the code. Okay. I'll go back. I'll do different way. Based upon our requirement, we will do the changes and we will write the code. Okay. So if you don't know, okay, you can paste the code into the AI and Microsoft Copilot and you will understand that. So now I want to write, see, what is the meaning of this one? In the ABAP, this is not equal. The symbol is not equal. That means delete source underscore package where book is not equal to 001 means it will load only 001 and remaining all we will delete it. Okay. Just understand it. Okay. So I'm checking no issues and activate it. So it will load only 140 records. So last time we written code bookers equal to 001. It is deleting. Okay, 140 records are deleted, 27,160 records are loaded. Now we are doing reverse. Now we are doing reverse. Now you can see. Now I'm loading only. So I'm not executing in the debug mode. Directly I will load it. Okay. Now you will see it. Directly it will update to the target. See here. Slowly it will update 27,000 records. Okay. Now you can see 140 records we loading. Okay. So update means finally it is updating to DSO. So always you need to keep an eye on this update. Okay. Go here and now you can see we having only 140 records. See here. How many records are transferred, how many records are added. This is important. So you can see the metadata information of our data load as well. So here, mm, observe it, okay? Here, what is the DTP? Which DTP executed? You can see here the details. With the technical also, you can see it. What is the technical name of this one? FM5 last, okay? When you loaded, when you loaded 30, when it is updated, if you write any filters, you can see the filters. We don't have any filters. See how many records to transport, how many records are updated. This are you loading full updated delta? What is the data source? Data source is this is 12s11 V item. What is the target? You can see source system and request time and update time, and you can see request number as well. This is the request number. Okay, this request number you can see in the new data level. Now you can see only 140 records, not 27,300 records. Okay, here you can see it. Okay, this is how we will do it. Okay, understanding? Okay, now you clear, right? Start written. So this is the how we will update it. Okay, you can see here company code we having only 001. We don't have any other company codes. Now you can go browse and you can see only 001 because we written code source underscore package where book is not equal to 001. This is how we will write it. Okay, how to debug also, right? Yeah, thank you.